Ever wondered where your Telegram friend request disappeared to? Let's uncover the mystery together in just a few quick steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Telegram send request. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once it's open, Telegram organizes chats and contacts, so let's use the search bar. Tap the search bar at the top of your screen and type the name or the username of the person you added. If it says last seen recently or you see activity, your request is accepted. If the profile is blank or restricted, it's likely to be pending or ignored. What did you find? Reply accepted or restricted. So this is how to check Telegram send request. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.